Okay, this video is to help people know how to get Parler through what's called side loading on an Android phone. So since Google has removed Parler from the Play Store, you can still side load it from the Parler website. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you have Chrome as your default browser app, let's just go bring up Chrome, type in Parler, and as you see here, I got Parler app. You want to go to this Google Play Store. Parler app will not work, so you have to go to the Parler website. So let me find the Parler website here. Let me just see if I can retype that. So Parler, and then let's just search for Parler, and there it is. We want to type in, see Parler here. Now, notice what it's asking me to do. It's asking me, do I want to use the Parler app, get the Parler app from Android, or open this in the Parler app? And what it would do if I tapped on this first one here, Android app Parler, it would take me to the Play Store and try to download it, and you can't do that. It won't work. So you have to tap on the bottom one, continue using site, and don't show again. And you tap on the little world there. And then once you're here, we can just keep scrolling down to the very bottom. And notice what it says at the very bottom, download today. And you've got the Apple symbol and the Android symbol. You want to tap on the Android symbol. And notice a file will be downloaded. This type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep Parler release.apk anyway? And you want to say OK, because now normally apps are downloaded and installed through the Play Store, and that's really the safest way to do it. And this is the same app that you would get through the Play Store, but of course it's being blocked. And so Parler's just offering it through their website as well. So you want to tap on OK. And once it's downloaded, you just tap on Open. Now it says, for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So you want to tap on Settings, and you want to allow from this source, which you allow from Chrome. Now once you do that, you come back over. Do you want to install this application? You want to install. So you're getting the same exact app you would get on the Play Store, but you're just getting it from the Parler website directly. This is called side loading, and it's one of the wonderful features about an Android phone that make it so good still. Okay, so then you want to open it, and then you can proceed to set up your Parler account or sign in if you already have an account. I hope this has been helpful. Text me or message me with any questions you may have.